नमस्ते बच्चों, JVN Aishi Shukla, Department of Science and Technology, Faculty of Education and Methodology. So today our topic is network flow problems. So first we introduce about what is network flow problems. So there are so many problems when data is transferred when data is transferred in a cable. So first introduction about network, then max flow problem, then capacity, and then flow. So there is some methods to solve that problems, but we discuss about that after this lecture. Okay, so first we discuss about network introduction. So we take some examples for creating network examples, that is some practical examples of a network. First one is liquid flowing through pipes. We know that about big oil companies having very big pipes to transfer oil one place to another. And also we saw that water plants having big pipes which flows which flow water to one place to another place. Next one is path through assembly lines, current through electrical network, information through communication network, and good transported on the roads. We see that that highway is having too much transport things that is gone to one place to another place. So that is also a basic example of network, that is create network actually when two or more people or things or systems are connected with each other by using some hardware thing. So that is known as creating a network. Now we discuss about representation of network by using graph. So there is one graph, that is directed graph G, where V is vertices and E is edges. So there is 2 points, that is source point and sink point, or we can say that source point and endpoint. So there is an example. So see, uh, in first diagram we just present by row that how network flows, and the second diagram we created some pipes for connecting vertices. So we can take that as a oil pipeline which is gone one place to another place. Next one is informal definition of a max flow problem is what is the greatest rate at which material can be shifted from the source to the sink without violating any capacity constraint. What is capacity constraint? See, capacity constant is that when suppose we have two type of pipes, that is big pipe and a small pipe. So that is known as capacity of that pipes, because big pipe take much data rather than a small pipe take. So there is an example, between U and V the flow were 12. So what is the capacity of pipe? That is full capacity, that is 12. And what is the capacity of a small pipe? That is 6. So if there is a flow of any oil or anything or any water, so the big pipe contain it very smoothly because it have much capacity than a small pipe, and a small pipe creates a pressure to flow it because it have less capacity than big pipe. So that is known as capacity of any cable or any pipe, or we can say that any network connecting things which have different type of capacities. Now we discuss about capacity, that is if UV belongs to E, then CUV equal to 0. That is the basic formula for any capacity problem. Now we discuss about what is the meaning of flow and what is the network flow. That is your topic. What is network flow? So network flow is depend on capacity, because see, if there is a flow over 12 by 6, so the whole pipe created blank because that is too slow flow, and we can say that it is not uh, completely define the capacity. So if FUV equal to 6, then the flow is called as flow or blow capacity. And if that is complete belongs to the pipe, like UV equal to 6 and flow is also known as 6, so it covers a whole pipe and create maximum flow. So that is known as flow. See, there is an example when SV2, we see that SV2 is completely filled with oil. It's because that is having maximum flow, and V4 to T is less fill with pipe because that is known as slow, or we can say that it is not compete with its capacity. Now after this, see, there is also an example for by presenting by red lines. So what is the flow? That is 6. So 6, if there is 6 flow and capacity is 12, so it is created less. If the flow is 3 and capacity is 3, so it covers it. Then it, if capacity is 8 and capacity is 12 and it created 8 flow. Okay, flow is 8, so it is less. So that is the basic example. We can say that, see, it is completed by 6 by 3, 3 by 6, 3 by 3, 3 by 8. Okay, so that is the basic example of network flow. Same like that, network is or data is flowing between cables to one source to another, the one source to another sync. Okay, so that is the basic example of network flow. If you have any doubt or any query in this section, then comment in the comment box. Thank you.